My dear friend, it is very important property. And I tell you, in your NEET exam, from this property, I think 2 to 3 times question has come directly. 2 to 3 times direct question. And I expect from this question can come also this year also. May it come. Because it is most important property of charge. Let me discuss it very clearly. Now, what is meaning of quantization? You please concentrate. I think this is the most important. Now, what is quantization? Now, let me discuss what is quantization. What is quantization? Can anyone tell me what is quantization? Anyone, any idea what is quantization like that? Any idea quantization? Anyone has any idea? Either you tell yes or no, no problem. Anyone has any idea of quantization? What is meaning of quantization? Please interact, make interactive session. Good. Okay. Now, okay. Now, quantization of the charges, it is the most important property. It is most important property, quantization of charges. Let me discuss here quantization of charge. Now, if you go to suppose a banana shop, you go to a banana shop. Will you tell that I need 2 by 3 banana like that? I need half banana. Will you tell like that? Either you will tell that I need half dozen banana, or you will tell I need 1 dozen banana like that. You will never tell that I need 2 by 3 banana. That means there are some rules which we can discuss. That is, we can say that if any quantity, we can say that if any quantity, we can say that if any physical quantity, it can take some integral value. Suppose I say that banana, for banana, what will I tell? I will take some integral multiple. That let us take a natural number, maybe 2 banana, 3 banana, 4 banana. We will multiply some natural number. Let us take n. We can say that we will multiply banana with some natural number. That is 2 banana, 3 banana, 4 banana, 6 banana, 12 banana, like that. What we'll say that if any physical quantity, it has value which is integral multiple. What it is? Integral multiple of some basic unit, or minimum value, then we say that this physical quantity is quantized, and this minimum value, it is called quanta. What will tell? Quanta. The minimum value, what I have told? I have told that physical quantity value will be integral multiple. N is integer. Integral multiple of some minimum value. And that minimum value which we are talking, this minimum value is called quanta, and it was discovered by Millikan's oil drop experiment, that for a charge, minimum value is electronic charge, that is E. This is a minimum value. So, and it was discovered by Millikan's oil drop experiment. So, we can say that value of the charge, physical quantity, will be N into E, like this. where n will be a integer. Got it? This we can say. Okay. Now we can say that this is the minimum value. So we say that if a minimum, and other Milkins prove that the minimum value of charge will be E. So we say that charge is quantized, and we represent it like this: Q is equal to NE, and E is charge on electron. Okay. Now let me take one example. If I tell you find if 3.2 microcoulomb charge, or I say 4.6 microcoulomb charge, which of the following charge is possible and which is not possible? How we will find it out? How will we find that out? We will say, since we know Q is equal to NE, what we will do? We will take the example that is 3.2 charge given into microcoulomb, that means 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to N into charge on electron will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. From here, we will find that N is equal to what? N will be 2 into 10 to the power, 2 into 10 to the power. What will happen? 10 to the power, how much? 13. And this is an integer. So we will say that this charge is possible. This is possible. If we will take this example, 4.6 microcoulomb, what will happen? Let me take here, solve it here. Last example, I'm taking here. The rest thing we will discuss later. Now, second example. If we just take Q is equal to 4.6 microcoulomb, that means 10 power minus 6 is equal to N into charge on electron will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. We'll say that N is equal to 4.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. When we solve it, we will find that it is not integer. Some decimal value will come. So we will say that this charge is not possible because we are not getting integer, and by definition N should be always integer. So we will say that it is possible and it is not possible. This way we can find, and this question have been asked in your NEET previous year paper. I will show you and further also later. Okay. So any problem till now we will discuss, and other we will take in our next session. We will discuss some previous year paper also, questions also. Any problem till now we can discuss here. Any problem till now, any question, anyone has any question, we can discuss it here. Any problem? Okay, good Nandri, very good. Okay, now we will discuss it further in our next session. So thank you.